Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right. And today we are talking about something we all do, maybe a little too much: online shopping, shipping, and returns.
Oh, Rachel, you're calling me out. My front porch looks like a cardboard factory. I'm a shopaholic. But it's not all rainbows and sunshine. Last week, I ordered a toaster and I received a bag of rocks. I was fuming.
Calling you out, that's a great idiom for exposing someone's secret. And fuming means you were extremely angry. That sounds like a scam or a major logistical error.
Logistical. That's a big word for the organization of moving things, right? Like the delivery truck and the warehouse.
Exactly. When you place an order, you should get a tracking number. It allows you to monitor the progress of your parcel.
Parcel. That's just a formal word for package, right? But what if the tracking says delivered, but there is nothing at my door? I checked under the mat, behind the bushes, nothing.
That is a nightmare. We call that package theft or sometimes porch piracy. You should contact the carrier immediately to file a claim.
File a claim. That's a formal request to a company to pay for a loss or damage, right? Do I need evidence?
Yes, photos and videos are your best friends. Now, Joey, what if the box does arrive but the item is defective?
Defective. That means it doesn't work properly or it's broken. I bought a lamp and it flickered like a horror movie. I had to send it back.
To send it back, you need a return label. Some companies provide a prepaid label so you don't have to pay for shipping.
Prepaid. That means the shipping cost is already paid by the seller. That's a good deal. But what if I just don't like it? Like the shirt is too small?
Then you have to check the return policy. Is it no questions asked, or is there a restocking fee?
Restocking fee. Ugh, that's a charge for putting the item back on the shelf. I hate hidden costs. I should also check if the item is final sale.
Final sale means no returns. Once you buy it, it's yours forever. So read carefully before you click Buy Now.
Okay, Rachel, let's talk about the ultimate shopping battle. What if the seller refuses to give my money back for a broken item? Do I just give up and cry?
No crying allowed, Joey. You can initiate a chargeback through your credit card company.
Chargeback. That sounds powerful. Is that when the bank forces the seller to return the money?
Exactly. It's a consumer protection tool. If the goods were not as described and the seller is being difficult, your bank can step in.
Not as described. That's a key phrase. Like when I order a large pizza and I get a small cracker. I'm using that phrase next time.
It's a legal term that gets results. Now let's talk about domestic versus international shipping.
Domestic is inside my own country, and international is from another country, right? I ordered coffee from Brazil, and it took 3 weeks to clear customs.
Customs, that's the government department that checks goods entering a country. You might have to pay import duties.
Import duties. Those are extra taxes on foreign goods. My cheap coffee ended up being very expensive. I felt ripped off.
Ripped off. That's a common idiom for paying too much or being cheated. To avoid that, check the total, including shipping and handling.
Shipping and handling. That's the cost of the box, the tape, and the person who packed it. I guess nothing is free in this world.
Very true. And finally, Joey, watch out for subscription traps.
Subscription traps. Is that when I sign up for a free trial and they charge me every month for the next 10 years because I forgot to cancel?
Yes, they hide the cancel button. Always set a reminder on your phone to unsubscribe before the trial period ends.
Trial period. That's the test time. I'm going to be more careful with my clicks.
Good. A smart shopper is a happy shopper.
Well, Rachel, I'm going to go check my front porch and then I'm unsubscribing from that Socks of the Month club.
Good luck. Let's review our profitable vocabulary. Vocabulary review. 1. Fuming. Meaning, feeling or showing great anger. Example, he was fuming after waiting 2 hours for a delivery that never arrived. 2. Logistical. Meaning, relating to the complex organization and movement of goods or services. Example, the company faced major logistical challenges during the holiday season. 3. Parcel. Meaning, a package or collection of things wrapped in paper in order to be carried or sent by mail. Example, the courier left the parcel with my neighbor because I wasn't home. 4. File a claim. Meaning, to make an official request for compensation or payment for a loss or damage. Example, if your luggage is lost, you must file a claim at the airport's help desk. 5. Defective. Meaning, imperfect or faulty, not working the way it should. Example, I returned the laptop because the keyboard was defective. 6. Restocking fee. Meaning, a charge made by a seller to a customer who returns an item for a refund. Example, check the return policy. Some electronic stores charge a 15% restocking fee. 7. Final sale. Meaning, a purchase that cannot be returned or exchanged under any circumstances. Example, the final sale for winter coats are on final sale, so make sure you choose the right size. 8. Chargeback. Meaning, a demand by a credit card provider to a retailer to return the value of a fraudulent or disputed transaction. Example, I had to request a chargeback because the company never sent the items I paid for. 9. Not as described. Meaning, a consumer protection term used when an item received is significantly different from the advertised description. Example, the dress was not as described. The color was completely different from the website. 10. Customs. Meaning, the place at a port, airport, or border where travelers' bags and goods are examined for illegal items and taxes are collected. Example, it took 2 hours to get through customs after my flight from Japan. 11. Ripped off.